list. Okay, I'm so excited, y'all. When I tell y'all, I'm excited. I'm not excited about how much I spent in the store, but I'm excited because I got some good stuff. You feel me? I got some good stuff. I need to be talking to y'all right here, because I've been noticing in my when I go back to the footage, boo, I'm way over here because my face is there. So I'm like, ooh, looking at myself talking. But anyway, I felt good buying me some flowers, boo. You know what? I ain't got no daggone vase. Hopefully my people at the house got a vase I can put it in. Something. Because I just like flowers, so I'm going to buy me some flowers, boo, whenever I can. And this week I wanted to get more fruits and veggies. And of course I got more fruits. But y'all going to see all that when I unpack when I get home, y'all. I ain't even, and I could have vlogged in the store because there wasn't that many people in there at all. I got up in there, it was 6 something. I came out, it was 7 something. So, and I forgot my glasses, y'all. It's like, girl, where your glasses at? As soon as I got out the house, I knew that I forgot my glasses. And then I was all up in my purse, y'all. Couldn't find a daggone thing because I guess my second pair of glasses, and they're in another bag. Y'all know how when we switch our bags, boo, we don't take everything with us to the next bag because we're like, oh, we don't need that. Don't need that. So that's just what it is. I'm so hungry, y'all. I was gonna stop at Hardee's, and then I'm like, I ain't stopping nowhere. I'm going home and cook, boo. I'm cooking, okay? So that's what we gonna do, boo. I'm gonna cook breakfast. I can't wait. And I can't wait to get up in this seedless watermelon because I'm sure it smells good. So that's what's going down as soon as I get home. And then I gotta finish editing my video, so then boom, I can put that bad boy out. Ooh, y'all. But yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got when I get home. I'm gonna do a grocery haul, and I spent too much. A colorful array of produce, but when I get up to that thing, they're like, Woke up, y'all. I've been up since 5 something this morning, but I did go to sleep early. I went to sleep like 10 something. I know, right, on a Saturday night, girl. For this month, because now, boo, we in July, okay? We in July. Happy July, happy new month, all that great stuff. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. All right. Drink shakers, Skittles, Wildberry, Starburst All Pink, Starburst Blue Raspberry, and the Skittles Tropical Punch. Put into my waters. Then I have some nice old blueberries. They look really good. Can't wait to taste them. I've been hearing about these. The golden kiwi, so I got some of those. Got me some Ziploc bags so I can put my fruit in after I wash and cut them up. Sweet Vidalia onion. A couple avocados. Might have some avocado toast with some bacon and eggs. Got me a little avocado Caesar chopped salad. The best scrapple around Hughes is Delaware made. Scrapple bomb. Contains spinach for my smoothies. Got some country crock plant butter with olive oil. I really like this. I got some shredded cheese, a taco blend. Got me some Bing cherries. These are so good. I got 3 mango, some oranges, navel oranges, some red grapes, needed some milk. Got me a good old seedless watermelon, 2 packs of strawberries, a pack of the red potatoes, the steamable ones. I got me 2 loaves of potato bread. Look like I smashed this one a little bit, but it'll be alright. Got me some syrup, pancake mix, some peanut butter. I got me some Game fireworks, 2 different kinds. So I got the Island Fresh and the original. To me, those smell the best. I got me some sweet berries, the Hawaiian style barbecue sauce. And my favorite of all time is the sweet golden mustard barbecue sauce. I needed some dryer sheets, so I got some of those. And this is the purifying waters from Arm & Hammer. And it smells really good. They have the eggs, honey. All the, most of the eggs that were the dozen eggs, they were $1.99, so I got the jumbo. I got some ballpark hot dogs, some white American sliced cheese for sandwiches. I got some beef bologna and some turkey breast. And then I got me a whole pack of chicken, which is the chicken wings that I'm gonna wash really well. These were $8.97 for this whole pack, which was a good deal. And then I got me some thinly sliced pork chops. They're the boneless ones. They were $6.67. And I got me a pack of drumsticks, which if you go to Renner's, they be having pick 5 for $25, but I just got 1. They also have other deals as well, but this is my grocery haul.